Hearts grow tired, dreams grow small. There are souls who walk in silence, never seen or heard at all. We can light a spark of kindness, we can carry someone's pain. Every hand that lifts another plants a flower in the rain. When we pause and truly listen, every heart begins to shine. We were made to love each other, born to give and share what's mine.
Let us heal this world with kindness. Let us heal till hearts be light. Let the love we hold within us turn the darkest day to bright. If a tear begins to tremble, let it fall, let burdens ease. For a kinder world is waiting, built on hope and love and peace.
There are hearts that break in silence, smiling just to hide the ache. There are souls who pray for shelter, longing for the dawn to wake. If we reach with warmth and mercy, if we choose to lift and stay, even wounded wings find freedom